Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm bringing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy S21 FE is now here at Metro. So if you guys are looking to get a Galaxy phone but don't want to spend over $1,000 to get a Galaxy phone, the Galaxy S21 FE is the phone for you to check out. It's available now. It's been available as of January 11th. Today is January 14th when I am recording this video. So yeah. So there's the Galaxy S21 FE, basically a Galaxy S21, because it looks like the Galaxy S21, of course. So yeah. So quick specs: has a 6.4-inch display, triple lens camera, Snapdragon 888 processor, which was last year's flagship processor. So pretty good there. There's the phone right there. The Galaxy S21 FE is $699.99 for retail price. But if you guys switch to Metro and like put your number of the Metro and get the $60 plan, I believe you guys can get the Galaxy S21 FE for $439.99. So you're saving almost like $260 off the phone if you guys put your number over the Metro, which is a pretty cool deal there. So let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy S21 FE here. So this is the phone right here. It looks like the Galaxy S21, obviously. So you guys have your hole punch for your front-facing camera there, earpiece there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. Alright, sorry about that. On the back of the Galaxy S21, we go, is your triple lens camera. I'm gonna try to get it close up here. So there's your camera lenses there. Y'all guys have a telephoto lens, which is the bottom one, which is 8 megapixels, guys. Right, so you keep it in mind. You also got camouflage, Samsung logo on back. The left side has nothing. So your SIM card slot is either on the top of the phone or bottom of the phone, alright? I guess we're about to find out. Alright. So this is the top of the phone here. Once it loads. You do have a noise cancellation microphone on the top of the phone there. And keep in mind the camera do stick out a little bit. Just keep that in mind, right? Up to the bottom we go. Is your okay, you guys got a speaker there, Type-C charging port, a microphone, and your SIM card slot is down here. I think it's on this side of the phone here. And I know it's kind of hard to see there, but your SIM card is right here somewhere. So yeah. So it says here, whether you are a gaming guru, social star, or FSTC, and that F word, I can't pronounce it very well. It's something that has to do with fashion or whatever. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is jam-packed with features that help you get more out of whatever you're into, including an all-day intelligent battery, a powerful processor, a smooth display, triple lens camera, and more. So quick specs: you guys have all day intelligent battery life, 4500 mAh battery, super fast charging, of course, smooth display, which is a 120Hz refresh rate on here, triple lens camera with portrait mode, so that's very nice. And like I said, you guys can get the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition for $439.99. When you guys switch to Metro, you guys have to so you guys have to put your number over the Metro to get this deal here. I guess you would have to get the $60 plan, but I'm not really sure. It doesn't say nothing about the $60 plan, but I'm pretty sure that you guys would have to get the $60 plan and put your number over the Metro to get this phone for $439.99. I'm pretty sure about that. So that's a one if you guys are looking to switch carriers and you guys want to get this phone for a bit cheaper than what it is. There you go. Specs on this phone are really good. This is the 128GB version. Metro only has the 128GB version only, and that it has 6GB of RAM with it, 128GB of RAM. So it's pretty good there. 6GB of RAM, like I said. I don't know how much storage is available to the user. You do get a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Infinity Air display. That's a 120Hz refresh rate there. Triple lens camera with portrait mode, 32MP front facing camera. You get two 12MP cameras plus an 8MP telephoto lens on the back. You do not have a microSD card slot on this phone. You do have mobile hotspot, 37 hours of talk time, Android 12 with One UI 4.0, octa-core processor, Snapdragon 888 chipset. So last year's chipset on here, which is pretty good. The Galaxy S21 FE weighs 6.24 ounces. And if you guys are looking to get accessories for the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, y'all guys can check Metro's website. But I suggest you guys go to Amazon and type in Galaxy S21 FE for your accessories, alright? So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $699.99 for retail price, or it's $439.99 when you guys put your number over to Metro. So if you guys are looking to get a Galaxy phone but don't want to spend over $1,000 to get one, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is the phone for you to check out. It's available now at Metro, so check it out if you guys are interested. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.